tension wheel lets you tighten wire when loose. Easy wire replacement with one additional stainless steel wire included. Cuts thick or thin cheese slices. Sturdy, die-cast zinc construction. Soft, comfortable handle. Are you in the mood for a sliver of cheese or a chunk? The OXO Good Grips Wire Cheese Slicer with replaceable wires allows you to smoothly cut either thick or thin slices, depending on the angle of your wrist. The sturdy, die-cast zinc construction lets the tool slide seamlessly through both hard and soft cheeses, and the stainless steel wire is easy to load and tightens into place with the convenient tensioning wheel. Includes 2 replacement wires. Dishwasher safe. Top reviews from the United States. OXO does it right again. I may be a touch biased here because I just love OXO products. I have had so much success over the years with everything I have bought from OXO, and you will find many of their product high on best product lists. And besides, if it's good enough for test kitchen is more than good enough for the masses. This cheese slicer is a replacement for a random one that I had for a year, but this OXO slicer is much better and has replacement wires. Bonus. I love that you can adjust the tension if needed, but I keep it pretty taut to get perfect slices every time. I think the key here is to not over-tighten or guess what, it will break. If there is any suggestions I would have, it would be, 1. If you are trying to use this for hard cheese like Parmesan, don't buy a metal cheese planer. 2. Don't over-tighten the wire, snug it up, give it a try, and then make micro adjustment using the adjuster wheel. And 3. Don't hold your thumb on the adjustment wheel or it might loosen. I suspect most problems that others have reported with this product is mostly due to user error. I would definitely recommend this OXO cheese slicer and I look forward to many years of use. Stop reading and buy it.